Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we are working on this 2018 Toyota Auris. And what we are doing today is we are removing the rear door panel. So we start off by opening the door. And under here, this cover, there's a Phillips head screw. Remove that. And we need to remove this armrest, like so. And this window switch, just pop it off. And there's a tab on the connector you want to press. And right here we have this Phillips head screw. Let's remove that. Like so. And this should be all the screws. Now there are clips all the way around. They are a bit tight. This panel have never been removed before. Like so. When you feel that all the clips are loose, we want to lift the door panel up. And to remove the cables, I hope you can see this, but you pull this out and twist and pull up, and the same thing for the other cable. So now the door panel is free. Yay! Now the reinstall is just the reverse of removal. So we put the cables back. Like so. and we want to hang the door onto here and make sure the electrical connector is so you can reach it. Now it's just a matter of pushing the clips back in place. Yep, that's it. Then we take this screw like so. And we take the switch put it in place. Then we take the armrest, snap it in place, and we have one screw left. And there it went. Let me find it. Come on! You kidding me? Put the cover back. That's it. Well guys, hope you found this video helpful, and as always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.